What's up, guys? So today we're going to be doing a review on the Hyper Tough 1.5 amp rotary tool with a 105 piece accessory toolkit. It says this comes with, or rather it is for precision cutting, grinding, polishing, sharpening, and drilling. Variable speed of 8,000 to 35,000 RPM. Has 3 collet sizes, and it also comes with a 6-foot cord. That is actually the reason I picked this up. I do typically use my Dremel, but I decided to pick this up because it comes with a cord. Generally speaking, when I am using my Dremel, it is a pain in the butt to keep on recharging my battery. The Dremel with the cord costs about 40 bucks, whereas this, I picked this up at Walmart for $18, so a little more affordable. So let's open this up, see what we're looking at here. There is a small, I don't know if you guys can see that here. Let me get a light for you so you can see it a little better. Some light. Okay, there is a little plastic clip right here, so take a blade, cut that off. And so what I'm doing is I turned it up so don't damage anything inside the box. Snaps right off. Boop. And then you have 2 clips right on the side of the box here. Pop those up. Let's see what we're looking at. Alright, so right off the top you have an instruction manual here. Put that off to the side right here. Looks pretty nice and neat. You have a nice little carry case for all your accessories here. And then your tool itself. Looks like it has a variable speed, which we see on the box. Again, it says it goes from 8,000 to 35,000 RPM. So you have your variable speed right there. On the bottom you have your on-off switch. Looks like you have your little locking nut here. And then obviously you have a tool inside to loosen that up and go through that there. So before we get started, obviously safety first. We're going to go through the instruction manual. Open this up real quick. So this is just a quick start guide in case you've never used a Dremel type tool. It shows you how to loosen the nut, place in your assembly tool or accessory, and then your speed control, which we just discussed. Nothing on the back, we'll set that aside for now. Also inside, before you forget about it, this looks like your warranty. So fill that out. You probably have a 1-year warranty or something like that. Check that out. Here's your manual. And then we'll go through your overview. Workplace electric safety, electrical safety, symbols, rotary tool safety, assembly. I'm sure you guys can see that. Maintenance, warranty, and specifications. This shows you all the different pieces, which we just went over. Safety. Electrical safety, shows you how many amps, hertz, all that fun stuff. Unlocking your rotary tool, you have variable sizes and a variable speed dial. This is below to the average but no load speed, 8,000, and then it shows you the different steps. So as you can see here on the manual, it shows you 1 through 6, and then you have 1 through 6 on your tool there. Okay. It also looks like you have different size collets, which I assume probably inside of here. Okay. Yes, I do see 1 or 2 different size collets in there. I don't know if you can see those brass pieces in there. Try not to lose anything. This looks like your sharpening stone there. Little sanding pad, put that back in there. Close that up. Let's just check everything else in here. It shows you how to loosen the nut and how to tighten. Making sure that you hold down the lock button, which is right here, when you're tightening and placing the tool on. It goes over all your different pieces. Again, I've had a couple of these kits, so this is not concerned about the pieces per se. This is more just focusing on the tool itself, seeing how it operates, all that fun stuff. This goes over operation, shows you how to sharpen tools, drilling, shape wood, carve wood, all that fun stuff. So this is to change the carbon brush. It looks like you unplug the rotary tool here, and then you are loosening the plastic cover by the wrench. Remove the old carbon brush and put the new one onto the tool, so it looks like that right in there. Loosen that. And that's about it. Again, that's just going over all your pieces in the kit. And that's pretty much everything there. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna plug this in. I am currently working on my stepson's little pine wood derby car. So we're gonna do a little bit of edgewood sanding right in here and see how it works. So just give me a sec. You guys can watch me set this up. The test run, we'll set it down to the lowest setting. There you go. It is on. Okay, so go in your little self-care case here. Down in here you'll find your wrench, right here. And then for this particular project we will need a sanding bit. These are fresh ones, so I don't really want to waste them. I do have a separate kit, so give me a second to grab that. Okay, we're back, and this is another tool kit that you can buy. Now, I got this originally for my Dremel kit. It fits on there, but this is actually for this Rotary toolkit. This is 208 pieces, whereas your original kit comes with 105. So again, I'm only using this because I already have sanding brushes in here that I already used, so we're going to use those instead. Cool. So we have these two that we're going to use. The larger sanding brush, which is probably, I'd say, about a ½ inch large, and then this little, probably 2/8 size little sanding brush. We're going to use those two on the car. And again, these two are from the kit. The key is originally from the box, so we're going to use that on here. Show you what we're doing. So here's your little locking pad. You want to press that down while you loosen it. Now this might already be loosened. Looks like it already is. Okay. So we're going to start with a larger one. We'll center that in there. Now while you're still holding it, you want to tighten that. I usually tighten it with my hand a little bit first, and then as it gets snug, I'll go back. You don't want to go crazy, otherwise you will snap it. And then you release your nut. This should be locked in there nice and snug, which it is. And then always just test, because while you're sanding, grinding, chipping away, whatever, you don't want it to go flying or end up somewhere that you don't want it to. Okay, so that is how you loosen and tighten. Again, make sure that you're pressing this down as you lock and tighten, and then you go on here and turn righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, all that fun stuff. All right, I'm gonna set the box aside. Get our car. And then safety first, whenever I'm sanding, I always wear a mask and usually have some shop gloves just in case. All right, here we go. Okay, so at this point, before I go any further with the sanding, here, I'll bring it up a little close so you guys can see. Bring the light in here. Before I go any further with the sanding, I do want to re-drill these little pilot holes for the axles. But just with the initial grinding and sanding of it, this is an awesome tool for 18 bucks. I like the variable speed. With something small like this, I would not go much faster than the one. That was working pretty good for me. I like that. Didn't kill the thing, didn't dig in further than I wanted to, and it actually worked really nice. It was really easy to control, and that was with the big bit. With a small bit, I can really dig in there, get those small little places. What I like about this too, you can almost hold it like a pencil. I have big hands, but yeah, you can almost hold it like a pencil and get real nice in there, real nice and deep. The way I was holding it was just like this, and just really real fine in there. Awesome tool for 18 bucks. You know, you can't beat that. If this broke on me, I would just go get another one. I picked up, if you guys give me 1 second here, I'll show you what I got going on here. Let's see. This is what I've been using, and this little Dremel cost me about 30 bucks, or like 25 on sale, I think it was. Which it works fine, but you know, when you're using it on high, you can even hear it already. It doesn't last long. This, on the other hand, you got the plug in, and you know, you got 7 feet. I believe it was about 7 feet, 6 feet of plug. You know, that's on 1. We crank it all the way up to, what is it, max on 6. That's some good little power there. So all in all, you told me to buy it again, I would. I would recommend it. 18 bucks, can't get better than that. Little hanging hook for you there. Yeah, I would buy it again. Hyper tough, 1.5 amp rotary tool with 105 piece accessory kit. Pick it up at Walmart. 18 bucks, 20 bucks maybe. Can't beat it. All right. Gamer 3000 signing out for you. Gameplay 3000. Appreciate your time, guys. Thank you so much. Like, subscribe, share. If you like what you see, check out my next videos. Next up, I'm going to be doing a drill press that I picked up from Harbor Freight. Check out a video I just did on a sander that I picked up from Harbor Freight, a Warrior sander. And yeah, expect more. If there's something else you guys want me to review, let me know. Again, signing out here. Thanks, guys.